If you are looking for how to blur moving characters in Adobe Premiere Pro, I'll show you how in a couple of minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Giovanni Pino, and if this video helps you, please let me know in the comments and give it a like so it can help others who may need to watch this video. Once you have your clip on the timeline, go to the Effects panel and search Gaussian Blur. Drop this effect into the clip. Now go to the Effect control and place the play position at the start of the video. Under the blur effect, select the shape. Because it is a face, we'll be using a circle. Now position the mask over the object or character we want to blur. There are handles that you can use to resize or rotate the mask. Now, increase the blurriness to your desired value. Next to the mask pad, click on the setting range and double check if you have chosen Preview enabled. If you deselect your mask, you can reselect it by pressing it in the Effect control panel. For tracking, you have to press the Track Forward button to start tracking the object. If you experience that tracking is going off the object, stop the tracking. Sometimes it can be difficult to stop tracking at the exact point. You can use the arrow in front of the mask pad to move the playhead to a point where the mask starts moving off the object. The keyframe, which comes all after that point, delete them all. I will use the button right to the Track Forward button to track only one frame. After making sure that tracking is happening right, hit the Track Forward button again. You can always make adjustments depending how tracking is going. And that's it. If you're looking at how to create the screen pump effect in Premiere Pro, check this tutorial right here. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials to come.